What's going on, y'all? It's extremely windy, so I hope you can hear this, but we're out here at the 2022. Is that right? 22? What year is it? I don't even know what day it is. I do believe it's Saturday. I can't remember. Been having so much fun, meeting all kinds of cool people, checking out all kind of mini bikes. Oh man, what a great time. But I'm going to walk through and show you some mini bikes and stuff that people picked up here at Swap Meet. Mini bike thing is crazy. It's ridiculous. But anyway, got their 60th anniversary Go Power Sports bike that the guys built. Sexy. So we're gonna take a look at that, kind of do a walkthrough. Like I said, it's extremely windy, and it's been windy all week, but very cool stuff. So let's walk through and take a look at some things. Spin you around here.
Hello, Rickster.
Mr. Tim, good morning, sir. What's going on?
What's up?
Now look at this, isn't this pretty cool? Look at that. Cool things you can find at a swap meet. You want to buy a mini bike, or you can buy you a Demon carburetor all at the same spot. Look at this cool Bonanza. Original, it's all rusty. Got the original patina kicking. Got the flathead. This one's got the charge coil because it's got the headlight, tail light on it, tank. This probably even looks like the original seat with that striping on it. Things you can find out here, but swap meet, man, you got to be quick to get the good stuff. Of course, they got their Mega Motos and stuff today. Got those out here for sale. You can buy a complete bike, you can buy you a roller. Got a few parts, but this is the main jewel that they built. Taylor and the guys at the shop. Check this new wheel they come out with. So if y'all want these are the old school reproduction that they're they got made. Of course, they had these chrome. They come in just a blank aluminum, which are already really pretty. But they have these deals chrome. So check this one that's spinning. Watch this. Ooh, sexy. But this is the bike that the guys built. Everything on it is chrome. And I don't know how it looks on the camera, but in person, this thing is gorgeous. I wouldn't even ride it. I just take it. Yeah, I would take this and stick it right in my living room. Everything is chrome. Kickstand, clutch cover, exhaust pipe, sprocket. Beautiful. Little red accents. It's extremely gorgeous. $10, you can take it home today. We're gonna live auction it off. Here's another pretty rascal. Look how blue this is. Gorgeous. So if you're in need of a mini bike, they got everything. They got you some 212s with Tillotson motors already on them, ready to ride. Or if you already got your own power plant, come down and get you one. It's already got the jack shaft in it and all your parts for the torque converter. Slap your motor on it and ride. Headlight. And look what else we got here. I know some of y'all guys watch good old guys, Cars and Cameras. They got the rat rod wagon out here. Pretty sexy. And they built this here the other day while they were down. They were in the shop at Go Power Sports, and they snatched them up some of the new wheels. This is what they look like. Now they're a little dusty. We've got a lot of wind out here. Everything's covered in dust. But that's the new style wheel they come out with. Very cool. So you can get your spacer adapter. They got all the hardware to make everything fit. So if you got a vintage mini bike, you want some old school wheels with a sexy new style look, look them up. They should have these on the website by now, I do believe. And I also have a spacer you can put in between it. So if you wanted a fatter tire on the back, see if we can zoom on this here. This has got the narrow tire on the front with just the two rim halves put together. And then they put the spacer in the back on this one here. So you can put a little bit wider, fatter tire on there. So if you want to go with the hot rod look, you can get you a fatty on the back and then put you a skinny on the front. Check this bike out. Hold on, we got to get a good shot of the side cover first. Thanks, brother, for that support, man. He put my sticker on this beautiful, sexy purple taco. Man, I really like to take this bike home. This bike is gorgeous. Got the Go Power Sports, the 8-inch spinners that they have. I'm spinning this tire around here. Woo! Beautiful. Of course, everything is covered in dust, but man, this thing is pretty. Got little black accents for the clutch cover and its tank. Sexy bike, man. Like I said, I don't know what it looks like through the camera, but man, it is one pretty bike. Sounds great, and it's a cruiser, boy. Just perfect bike. Got Montoya, got his crazy trike out here. Got some more Rascals. Look at this beautiful pink one here. One of the guys at the shop built this for his wife. Nice. And it's pretty. Look at this seat right here. Ooh. Sexy. Got the white kicking. Little pink. Nice. We got over here. This old rump. Got a C250. Got original flathead in it. Old school turbine wheels. That's like a true survivor right there. Man. Got a little Arctic Cat. Got the chrome fenders, real nice. Man. We got a super stock over here. Let's go check this thing out.
Got your face on.
Got the Zuzas, Go Power Sport Zuzas on it. Another Matoya bike out there. And I don't know who drugged these things up out of the scrap pile. Ain't no telling. What else we got going on? Got some other bikes that somebody swapped up right here. You know, see people pick these old Hornets up. They take those and then they turn them into something like that. That's what folks do. But they got a little bit of everything out here. So we'll see what's going on. Oh, look at this. That big old fatty. Sorry, it's a little noisy. Man. Zoom in on this here taco. Man. All right, so we're gonna go see what's going on. Getting everything drug out this morning. And we're gonna go scout out and see if anybody brought in some new mini bike stuff that I can snag up. But anyway, so if you're in this area, come out today. It's Saturday. Buy you a ticket for the raffle for the mini bike that they built. You don't have to be present to win. They will get the bike to you if you're a winner. You can buy your ticket online, and they will contact you. And I know they're giving away a bunch of other prizes as well. So anyway, if you're in this area today, come on out, and it's a great time. All right, I'm gonna meet some more people, and we'll check back with y'all a little bit. All right, we're back out here at Pate. They're fixing to do the raffle, I think, about 2 o'clock on the bike that they're raffling off. But here, we're gonna swing you around and see what all kind of cool stuff's out here since then. I don't own the rights to any of the music playing in the background. Look at that. Brother Tommy, what's going on? See? Yeah, there's Charles on the phone again.
I know. More, you know, trying to buy more wagons.
Yeah, busy man, busy man.
Oh, that's what the raffle.
What's going on, folks? I need to apologize first. I didn't do a lot of filming and taking pictures or videos because I was too busy wrapped up just socializing with so many cool people this weekend. I got to thank Go Power Sports for just an awesome time. The wife and I, we had an extremely great time hanging out with all the staff and everybody. It was, if you didn't make it, make sure to make it next year. Great time. They raffled off one of the bikes that they built. No, they built a total of 10. These are gonna be all chrome bikes. They got, I'm wore out, so the wife had to make me a cheat sheet. Trying to remember what I'm supposed to say. I'm beat. Anyway, on the Rascal deal, they raffled the bike off this weekend. And they got 4 little rascals and 5 rascals. They're all gonna be chromed, but they're all gonna have a different flair to them. So all of them will be different. So if you bought a ticket, it was greatly appreciated and by them. And all the proceeds are gonna go to Teen Life. I'm gonna leave you a link in the description of everything I mentioned. So if you don't know anybody I'm talking about, or you don't know what the proceeds go to, look down below. All that'll be listed so you can check everybody out and whatnot. But they raised, on just this rascal this weekend, that they raffled off was $16K to Teen Life. Wow, that's cool. So anyway, they're gonna be building more of them, and they're only gonna have 10. And you don't gotta be present to win. They will get the bike to you. So when the next one comes up, make sure and follow them along on their Facebook page. And they'll do posts on the GPS.com page. So when you're on there ordering parts, you can look along and see when they're gonna build that next one. And when that raffle's gonna be to buy your next ticket. And, but yeah, this one, 16K. That's for a great cause. So when the next one comes up, get your ticket. And all the cool people I got to meet this weekend, it was just, man, it was an awesome time. John, Isaac, Buddy Charles from Cars and Cameras, they were out there. They brought the rat rod wagon. It was a great time hanging out with them. My buddy Mason from the Misfits, he come down, good time. My buddy Montoya made the trip down. It's great hanging out with you, brother. Joe and Jason from Build, Break, and Repeat, they had their rotary bike there. It's the first time I got to see it actually in person, and cool build. And I got to meet Jeremy. Check him out on Facebook. He has strictly custom mini bikes. He drove all the way down from Colorado. Cool cat, man, great to meet you. And let's see. Oh, and all my race buddies and my sisters that got to come out and hang out this weekend, and they brought some bikes to show off. And from Demon City Mini Bikes, just a great time. And like I said, I'm beat, but I'm gonna close this video with a few things that I picked up. So you wanna make sure and like and subscribe, share this video, and show you what I got, and that way you'll check out and see what we're gonna do with this. But anyway, spin this around here. I had to pick these up. Got some chrome baby moons, got a set of 4 of those. And I picked this one owner cream puff bike up. I had to get it because it come with a free seat. Anything that comes with something free, you got to get it. But it's a moto box, and if you ain't checked out what I did with the little red moto box and a couple videos back or whatever, make sure and hunt around and find that video, because that's what my moto box looked like when I did the red one. So you check out, see what I do with this one. Buddy Charles, I sweet talked this out of this tub because I had plans for one, and he was cool enough to part ways with one and fix me up with that. So I got something in the works for that. I picked up an old flathead while I was down there, old Tecumseh. Y'all know I like to put these on the vintage bikes I do, and it's got some cool parts on it. Found a live axle there. And then I got these cool gearbox things that it's gonna hopefully work out in this project that I got cooking. Picked up a couple of them. And I got this old rusty wheelbarrow tub. Picked that up while I was there. So, and have a box of goodies for a bike that I have on the table right now that I'm hopefully going to start on Monday. So I picked those parts up. So I got some cool things in the works, and I think it's gonna be pretty neat, something a little different. So anyway, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, and we will see y'all in the next video. Thank y'all for watching. We'll see y'all soon.